Every day we see a lot of millionaires across the world moving to Dubai. And not to forget, most of them are Indians. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert, and today I'll be sharing you the reasons why I moved from India to Dubai. The first reason is I get to save a lot more money in Dubai than I used to save back in India. I was a taxpayer paying 30% almost taxes from my salary, and here there are no taxes, so I get to save all of the money that I'm earning. The next major reason is safety. While I was staying in Delhi for a very long time, I did not go out of the house after 9 p.m. alone, compromising on my safety. While in Dubai, you roam around at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., no matter what time it is, you're always safe. You go around in national taxis, they have almost 2 to 3 cameras and microphone in there. So that's how safe Dubai is. Third is the air quality. It's 50% better than in Delhi where I was staying previously. During the Diwali holidays, back in Delhi, the air quality was so bad that it felt like you're smoking 40 cigarettes a day. While here, it's so good, there is hardly any pollution. Hence, I breathe well and I live well. Next is cleanliness. Dubai is one of the cleanest cities in the world. No matter what you litter around at any point of time, even at night, morning you come back, it's all clean. We have the cleanest beaches. Even those beaches where public do not usually go, you check out at 3 a.m. 2 a.m. they are super clean. Fifth advantage of being a small city. Dubai is a 30-minute city. You can get from any point to any other point in just 30 minutes. You get to beaches, you get to mountains within an hour's drive. So that's how convenient it is to get from anywhere to anywhere, and I feel this is a very big advantage. Sixth, my favorite thing, which is the lifestyle of Dubai, which is unbeatable. You get the best of entertainment, the best of shopping, the best of food, and you have multiple nationalities in Dubai, hence you get that kind of cuisines in most of the places, from most affordable to the most high-end. And lastly, Dubai is a multicultural city. You have people here from so many different cultures, and most of the residents here are expats who've moved from across the world. Hence you get to learn about their cultures, their beliefs, the spiritualities, etc. I hope this was insightful for you, and you might want to move to Dubai now after hearing all of these reasons. So this is Chelsea Kukreja signing off from today's video. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing so you can stay tuned for all of the content that's going to come up related to Dubai and Dubai real estate. See you in the next video.